Hello kids, in today's English learning we are taking up the next digraph, combination of vowel EA and the sound is E. Before starting to write the words, we must write date, classwork as usual and put a heading, sound of digraph, and today's digraph is combination of vowels EA and the sound is E. Just like double E, it also gives sound E. Let's start to write the first word and understand how the sound is produced by the both digraphs. E capital A T. Eat. Eat. We eat food to get energy. Next word we are starting with is M capital and make E A in between and make L sound at the end, and the word is meal. Meal. We must have 3 meals in a day: breakfast, lunch, dinner. Let's write starting with R capital. The next word is R-E-A-D. D. Read. Read. Reading is very important. We must read a book daily. Next, if we write L capital in the first place and E-A, E sound and ending with F, the word is leaf. Leaf. Leaf is a part of plant. It is generally green in color. Now starting with M capital again. E, A, me, T, T, meat. Meat. This is the picture of meat. Meat is good source of protein. And the next word we have is starting with S capital. S-E-A. Sea. Sea. A large amount of water on earth is called sea. Here, a ship is sailing in the sea. First letter now is B capital and E-A. Make sure that B turns inside and E should be written a little separately. And ending with CH, again a digraph sound, ch. Beach. Beach. An area beside the sea is called beach. Starting with P per capital. E, A. Again digraphs ch. Peach. Peach. It is a fruit which has only one seed. Next word is B capital, B sound, E-A-N-S. Beans. Beans. Beans is a green vegetable. In the form of grains, it has different colors. P-L together gives pl sound and adding E-A, plea, S-E at the end, the word is please. Please. Please is a gesture. We use please when we ask for something. Let's take up the last word starting with G capital, R, E, A, S, E, gr, ease, grease. Grease. Here are the containers of grease. It is used for lubricating the tools. Repeating the word as usual, we are to write from the center the next word. E turning inside, A separately and T, eat. Complete your work neatly. Thank you.